this project has had 4 key strands. The largest of those, and in many ways the most important for the ship, has been the replacement of our bulwarks. The bulwarks are in effect the walls you see around the upper deck here. So everything you are looking at now is new. We have this steel capping here. Now that originally would have been timber. That is called the water bar. This now is forming a protective waterproof cap to the ship's hull and stopping rainwater from getting down into the structure and damaging it. And then on top of that we have this timber structure here, which are the bulwarks themselves. And then on top of the bulwarks you have the hammock boxes, which is where the sailors originally would have stored their hammocks when they're not being slept in.
Celebrate the completion of a phase of work on HMS Warrior. Looking magnificent behind us, the sun gleaming off the paintwork. She's also a very important ship. If you think about it, at the top of the dockyard we have HMS Victory, the ultimate deterrent of the late 18th and early 19th century. And then the successor kind of ship, HMS Warrior. Superficially looking not that dissimilar. She's still got masts, sighting hull, but of course an entirely different kind of technology. She's steam powered, she's iron built, and she has become the ultimate deterrent of the middle years of the 19th century. So she's, from her launch in 1860, she has about 10 years when she is the mistress of the seas, or if we're non-sexist, the master of the seas, or any other kind of way of expressing that. I'll think about that later. But she is Lord or Lady of all she surveys for that 10 years. So well done, everybody, for what you have done for Warrior, and now it might be a good time to go and visit her. Thank you very much.
Maybe about 50 degrees with everything on. Yeah, not ideal down there. But with the tough cookies, we're the shovelers. Top speed, we shovel about a ton an hour each. Yeah, not bad that, is it? Not bad. That's for 4 hours and all. 4 hours. We're the ones that actually make the ship go 17 knots. I mean, last time we did it, someone died, Stoker Phillips, so we don't want to talk about it.